Hello guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to change TikTok display name. So to be able to change your name in TikTok, simply open your profile, of course, over here on the bottom right. After that, you will be able to see your profile over here and you will be able to see an option, Edit Profile, of course. Select Edit Profile, and over here, this is where you will be able to change your different information, such as your name. As you can see, I have Zup over here, so I can change this to whatever name I want. The limit is 30 characters. The nickname can be changed once every 7 days, so be careful when changing this. Aside from your name, you are also able to modify your username, and for this one, you will be able to change it only every 30 days. So also be careful with changing it, because once you've done that, you won't be able to change it anytime soon. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.